this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a process video of many process videos of the 20 days of cut files that Virginia Walker does every year. I am going to do as best as I possibly can to be able to do the 20 days of cut files. So she releases 5 days straight. She has her first set of freebies that will go up on the channel or in her group, and that'll be linked down below. And then 5 days from there. So I am participating in day number 2, and this one is in day number 2. So make sure that you go check out. It'll be all linked down below. So what I'm going to do is that because the releases, the first 5 days are a little bit crazy, I'm just going to link to her shop and then go check it out because I am pre-filming these and I may or may not be able to go back to link it. So just go look for it. And this one is called Winter. Now, the prompt for day number 2 is, I'm pulling it up. I had it up and then I had to restart my computer and then it was a mess. So day number 2 is stitching. Yesterday was make it sparkle and I couldn't essentially partake in day number 1. But if you missed day number 1, it is make it sparkle. So you make it sparkle. And then day number 2 is stitching. So I am going to take her cut file and I am going to stitch black along the word winter. And then this is going to be my background because I am still using... right now, I am still using Vicky Bouton's Christmas collection from last year. And y'all know I love her stuff and it's grungy. So I am going to make a white background stitch on this so that that sticks out. And then this will stick out with it. And then my 2 photos is the night that we got there at Asheville, or like right outside of Asheville where our log cabin was. It was very like... this. I just love the way this looks. It is just amazing. Because the next photo I'm going to work with is my fire. So because it was so grungy, cold, and it was rainy, and it just... this is the fog from the rain. So I had... this is when finally the fog kind of got onto the lake and it moved over. And then this is what it looked like. Now... they had snow, but when we got there, it dissipated into this. And I just love how it still looks winterishy, but yet fallish. It's just this just doesn't capture it. So, with that being said, let's see how this is going to get started. Off camera, I am going to go and do all my stitching, and then I will come back in real time quick, show you what it looks like, and then we'll do our process video. So, hang tight. Okay, since I showed you a little bit of what this looks like and all of that, I decided that I'm going to now start to look at how this is going to come together. Now, I was going to use this banner strip, and then I'm like, nope, I'm going to come in with all my mixed media. At first, I wasn't going to do any mixed media, and then once it comes in, it actually comes together. So here I am. I'm taking my paint splatter. Now this is the white one, and I'm doing my little white trick around the circles just to add that little bit of extra flat dimension. And I am going to come in with my stickles, and this is just a regular glitter stickles. Yeah. Yep, it's just a regular glitter stickles. And I'm just putting them in different spots. I do not put any in the middle because obviously that will kind of be covered up. So I'm kind of doing this diagonal, like diamond shaped with these stars because there's already stars on the layout due to the page that I picked for my background. Now, the black does stick. The black is very muted, obviously. So when I came and decided to do this blue layout, this is the only blue that is going to be on the page. And it's really going to pop off the page. I leave all of the strings and everything as well to the layout or to the sketch, not the sketch, the cut file that is from Virginia. I place that in there. Sorry, I got to rearrange myself here. The cut file is winter, and it is part of the exclusive cut files that are being released every single day. And this is from day number 1 or 2 of the release. I will link all of her stuff from the shop down below. But she has a prompt every day. So if you want to follow along, make sure that you go check out her page, her group, because it is all going to be in there. I posted it in the front of this video, and then I posted that she also has 25% off for her cut files from December 1st through December 20th. So if you are in the United States, this would be November 30th through December 19th, because remember, she is a day ahead of us due to her being in the Australia, New Zealand area in that regard. So I am putting down all of these little small bits and bobs and to the layout due to the fact that I want the word winter to be huge on this layout. So I do know that my video camera is a little bit up, a little bit higher than normal. I hope that this is definitely okay, because I have been doing a lot of lives because my class is almost over with. Or when I'm filming anyway and doing this, I am in the midst of finishing it up. So if you have not checked out my first class, which is 10 sketches, and it's volume 1, it'll be all linked down below. Make sure you go check that out. There will be a special discount code that will be linked in there for anything that is in my shop, along with discount of this volume during Christmas season. And that will be linked down below. So if you would like it, and you would be able to go and check out all of the live videos that we've done, because they're all there. They're not going to be, they're not going to disappear. I'm leaving them all in there for anybody that does purchase volume 1 from me. And volume 2 will be coming out in January. And also, I am starting my very first virtual monthly crop in my group. That will be linked down below as well. That is set to be on the 27th of January through the 29th of January 2023. So I would love to have you. So if you check out my group down below, and then make sure, again, I just want to reiterate that this is 20 days of cut files from Virginia over at Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. So this is day number 2. Remember, she has a $25 discount code, which I will link down below in the description. It is only good from November 30th through December 19th if you're in the United States, and then the 1st through the 20th if you're in the New Zealand area. Make sure you like and subscribe. It is done. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.